Hey, what's up? If you're looking for a tasty and healthy way to lose weight, have you heard of smoothies? They're super nutritious and refreshing drinks made with fruits, vegetables, yogurt, and other healthy ingredients. Smoothies are a great option for those who want to lose weight since they can be a delicious way to consume important nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Moreover, they are easy to prepare and can be a practical option to replace a less healthy meal or snack. And the best part is that smoothies can be customized according to your preferences and weight loss goals. For example, if you want to increase your protein intake, you can add Greek yogurt or whey protein to your smoothie. If you want to give your metabolism a boost, you can add ingredients such as ginger or green tea. In today's video, we will teach you the top 3 smoothie recipes for weight loss that are not only delicious but also help control appetite and burn fats. Number 1. Green Machine Smoothie. Check out the ingredients of this wonderful smoothie: fresh spinach, cucumber, avocado, pineapple, almond milk, and lemon juice. And each of these ingredients has its own benefits. Spinach, for example, is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that help fight cell aging. Cucumber has anti-inflammatory properties and can help regulate blood pressure. Avocado is full of healthy fats that help maintain heart health. Pineapple is a delicious tropical fruit that is rich in vitamin C. Almond milk is a great source of calcium and plant proteins. And finally, lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and helps improve digestion. Together, these ingredients make an incredible combination of flavors and nutrients that will help keep you satisfied, energized, and healthy. So why not try this smoothie right now? Just mix all the ingredients in a blender and enjoy a tasty and nutritious green machine. Number 2. Berry Blast Smoothie. This smoothie has an amazing mix of frozen red fruits, strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries, fat-free Greek yogurt, unsweetened almond milk, and a pinch of honey if you want to sweeten it a bit more. And the benefits of these ingredients are many. Red fruits are rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and maintain cellular health. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, which helps maintain satiety and muscle mass gain. Almond milk is a lighter and healthier option than cow's milk, being a source of calcium, vitamin E, and healthy fats. And honey, besides naturally sweetening, is an ingredient full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Together, these ingredients form a delicious and healthy mixture, perfect for starting the day with a lot of energy or satisfying hunger in the middle of the afternoon. So why not prepare this smoothie right now? Just mix everything in a blender and enjoy. Number 3. Tropical Paradise Smoothie. This smoothie has a mix of tropical fruits, pineapple, mango, and kiwi, orange juice, non-fat Greek yogurt, and a bit of ginger. And each of these ingredients has incredible health benefits. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, an enzyme that helps with digestion and fights inflammation. Mango is rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, which helps strengthen the immune system and maintain eye health. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, which help maintain heart and digestive health. Orange juice is rich in vitamin C and helps keep the immune system strong. Greek yogurt is a source of protein and helps keep you full for longer. And ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help speed up metabolism. Together, these ingredients make a delicious and super nutritious smoothie, perfect for those who want to lose weight healthily while still enjoying a refreshing drink. So why not try it right now? Just blend everything in a blender and enjoy the tropical flavor of the Tropical Paradise Smoothie. So, did you like the recipes? If so, I have a surprise for you. I've prepared a free ebook with 10 delicious smoothie recipes for weight loss. Just click the link in the description to download it. But hurry, because this offer is for a limited time. Don't forget to leave your like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to receive more content like this. If you like the recipes, share this video with your friends and family so they can also try these healthy treats. Remember, losing weight doesn't have to be a sacrifice, you can adopt healthy habits without sacrificing flavor. And with these delicious smoothies, you can be sure that you won't be hungry or craving sweets during the day. We hope you enjoyed this video and the recipes we taught. Stay tuned to our channel for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.